Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you another one of our pre-owned boats that we just recently took in on trade. This is a 330 Express by Grady-White boats. This is a 2016 model, and starting in the back, it is equipped with twin 350 horsepower Yamahas. Back here we do have the first of two coolers with the freezer plates installed on them. Nice little divider right there, but you got your freezer plate in there. Very nice to keep your catch nice and cool and everything like that. A little bit of storage in here. You have your battery switches right here. Then you're going to have your fold-away chair. This does move up and out of the way if you need to get into the bilge area. But while you're fishing, you can definitely put that down, use it as a tow catch while you're reeling in fish and whatnot. Same thing on both the gunnels. You got tow catches with rod storage on both sides. Now right here, we have your live well. This thing is massive. Curved edges, so your fish don't run into each other or into the corners and hurt themselves. So there's also a light in there to keep them nice and calm. You have a tackle station right here. Also tackle drawers on that side over here, as well as a sink. Moving up into the cockpit. As you guys can tell, this is a very clean boat. The customer took very good care of it. He's actually moving up to a boat 4 foot larger to the 370 Express, so it's very complementing to each other. He loved the boat so much. This boat has almost everything that you can think of on it as far as electronics go. It has a FLIR, it has your twin Simrad screens, has an open array radar, has a spotlight, has a life raft on it. Then up here in the hardtop, it's the AV2 top by Grady-White. So this shade moves out of the way. You can also do this shade to block the sun off completely. But also, that's an opening sunroof right there. That'll actually lift up and out of the way so you can get a breeze coming through here. Or you can also open this hatch up as well and have a breeze come through there. But this is also AC'd and heated inside this right here. I think it's 15,000 BTUs or 12,000 BTUs. So plenty of power to definitely heat and cool this area. Does have a bow thruster as well. Moving down here into the cockpit, again, very, very clean. The head compartment right there, very nice. You can come in here and take a full shower, use the restroom if needed. This table actually drops down out of the way, gives you another little sleeping area right here. But you have this up front as well, your rod holders up top. You have two port lights, I guess you can call them, that open up right there. You have your TV. This actually comes out and folds over here. Your DVD player, your fusion head unit, your double burner grill. These pop up and hold your pots or pans in place. Microwave, and of course your refrigerator. Right now this is hooked up to shore power. So once you're done or not using your boat out on the water, you can hook up to shore power. Keep everything running, including your AC, your refrigerator, all that good stuff. Now down underneath, you have the aft sleeping area. You can sleep two more people in there nice and comfortably. So this boat really has it all, like I said, all the electronics, the sleeping areas. It's very, very clean for the age. Very low hours, generator, AC, all that good stuff. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call or come on down to MarineMax Houston. Thanks for your time.